Hello, Mr. Loreline here, and in this video I will be teaching you how to get to Discovery Education, how to sign into Discovery Education, and where to find resources for Discovery Education that your teacher will be sharing with you. Now, to get to discoveryeducation.com, you can go to Google and in the search box type Discovery Education, and the first source or first website that should pop up should be the website, but if you want to double check, just look for www.discoveryeducation.com. When you have seen that, click on it and it should pop up and the website should look like this. Now, of course, you can bypass Google and just put in discoveryeducation.com and it will take you to this same screen. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a blue button. That blue button, you'll need to click on it. It says log in. When I click on it, I will come to this screen. When I get to this screen, it will say sign in with username. You don't need to remember a username or password in this portion. The only thing that you will need to remember is your EVSC Google sign-in. Now, of course, you have probably been signing in multiple times with that username and password, and it's probably already saved in your computer. Now, I'm going to show you what it will look like in the next step. So you'll go and click on the Google Sign In button right here. And the next screen may pop up and look like this, especially if you have 2 Gmail accounts saved on your computer. I have my school email and my personal email saved on this computer. So I will click on my EVSC or my school email, and yours will look the same, but of course your name will be different, but the end portion will be the same. It should say at, the at symbol, evsck12.com. So you'll click on that email, and if you're like me where both email and password are already saved for this account, you should come to a screen that looks very similar. Now, in a couple seconds, I'm going to switch over to a student view and show you what yours looks like. But after logging in, you should get onto the website Discovery Ed. So let me pause the video at this moment and get to a student version, and so you know what you will be looking at once you have signed in. So I'm on a student version at the moment. Now, at the very top, you'll actually see your name. It should say welcome and then whatever your name may be. So if this was me personally as a student, it would say welcome, comma, Timothy. Underneath that, you will see any assignments that have been provided by a teacher. So in this case, I've assigned the board Ancient Mesopotamia Geography. And so if I know there is an assignment given to me by my teacher, and my teacher says that you will find it on Discovery Education in the board assignment that says Ancient Mesopotamian Geography, then I know this is where I click to go to get to that assignment. When I have clicked on that, I will then come to the screen that says Ancient Mesopotamia Geography. And this shows that this is my assignment. I just click Start Assignment. When I've clicked on Start Assignment, I'll get to this site where the teacher has provided a board with different activities to complete. Now, as you can see, this is my own personal Mr. Loreline's board that I've created for Ancient Mesopotamia. And of course I've labeled it by day, given directions on how to complete the different assignments, and then provide different links to Discovery Ed to complete those assignments. So, I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions on how to use Discovery Education, just be sure to ask your teacher or send him or her an email, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, have a great day.